That was really weird. My fucking tire spun back there. It was really, really weird. I wasn't expecting it, so. Felt like that chick was trying to fuck with me. Like, nah, get the fuck away from me, bitch. This is what's going on today. I'm gonna fly by you, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna fly by you. Hey, what up, brother? What up, dude? Yeah! And you waved, oh my god, I'm so special. Nothing like doing 60 and a 35. Alright! Yeah, it's pretty chilly in the fucking shade, bro. I'm like, teeth chattering, baby. Fuck. All right. Testicles. Hey girl, she was trying to take a picture of me. I know it. I already fucking know it. Yeah, I'd take a picture of me. Should have just done this while I was moving. Be like everybody else in the fucking world. This girl wants to ride on my bike. That's what I call my dick. No, I'm just... well... Ooh, you on the phone, bro. Smell some dank. Not no more. It was right in front of that fucking grocery store when I smelled it. Oh shit, now I smell it again. I bet it's that Camaro though. Dude had his window down, I drove by and then smelled some weed. Yeah, I think it was him for some reason. Right above my wrist, it's fucking colder than hell. I see you on the phone. Much better, much better. Thank you. Thank you.